Do you dream of being your own boss? The journey from a spark of an idea to a thriving business can be exhilarating. Every successful business started as a simple idea. Think about companies like Apple, Google, or even your local bakery. They all began with someone daring to dream. Your entrepreneurial journey starts in the same way, with an idea. You have the power to innovate, to disrupt, and to build something that leaves a lasting mark on the world. Embrace this power, nurture your creativity, and allow yourself to explore the possibilities that lie within your own mind. Everyday life is full of problems waiting to be solved. From minor inconveniences to major societal challenges, each problem presents an opportunity for innovation. Creative problem solving is the engine of entrepreneurship. It's the ability to see the world differently, to connect seemingly unrelated dots, and to generate novel solutions. Think about the success of companies like Uber or Airbnb. They identified existing problems and offered innovative solutions that disrupted the status quo. What are you truly passionate about? Aligning your business idea with your passions is crucial for long-term success. When you're passionate about what you do, the challenges become less daunting and the journey becomes more fulfilling. Building a business requires dedication, perseverance, and a genuine love for what you're creating. When your work aligns with your passions, you'll be more motivated to overcome obstacles and stay committed to your vision. Think about successful entrepreneurs. They often talk about the passion that drives them. They're not just building businesses, they're pursuing their dreams and making a difference in areas they care deeply about. This passion fuels their creativity and resilience. You have a brilliant idea, but is it a viable business? Before investing significant time and resources, it's crucial to validate your idea in the real world. This involves gathering feedback from potential customers, analyzing market trends, and assessing the competitive landscape. Market research is essential for determining if there's a demand for your product or service. Who is your target audience? What are their needs and pain points? Customer feedback is invaluable. Talk to potential customers, conduct surveys, and gather data on their preferences and purchasing habits. The validation process is about learning and iterating until you find the right product-market fit. Creativity is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Engage in regular exercises to stimulate your innovative thinking and generate new business ideas. Try brainstorming. Gather a group of friends or colleagues and brainstorm potential solutions to a specific problem. Encourage wild ideas and don't censor any suggestions. Engage in mind mapping. Start with a central concept and branch out with related ideas. This visual exercise can help you see connections and patterns that you might have missed otherwise. Practice lateral thinking. This involves approaching problems from unexpected angles. Lateral thinking can help you break free from conventional solutions and discover innovative approaches. You've validated your idea, refined your concept, and now it's time to turn it into a concrete plan. A well-structured business plan is your roadmap to success. It outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Start by defining your value proposition. What unique value does your product or service offer to customers? Develop a marketing strategy. How will you reach your target audience? Craft a compelling pitch. A concise and persuasive pitch is essential for communicating your business idea to investors, partners, and potential customers. Practice your pitch until you can deliver it confidently and effectively.